Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. In today's lesson, the use of every and each or everyone. Every and each mean the same. They are both used with singular nouns and verbs. Every is more common. Every each day brings a new problem. We use every for 3 or more. We use each for 2 or more. She had a ring in every finger. She had a bag in each hand, but not in every hand. Now, right or wrong, correct the mistakes or write correct. Example 1. You get more beautiful every day. Correct. Next example. I paid separately for each book. Every passenger have to show his or her passport. Every passenger has to show his or her passport. There is a mistake in each line. Correct. Cars are parked on every side of the road. Cars are parked on each side of the road. Every children are different. Each child is different. Please say each word slowly and clearly. Correct. The doctor made him sit down and looked into every ear. The doctor made him sit down and looked into each ear. We often prefer each when we want to say that things are separate or different. Compare. We asked every politician the same question. Each politician gave a different answer. Now, both the answers are correct, but one is a little better. Which? For example, I work each every month except August. The correct one is I work every month except August. Each/every day is new and different. Each day is new and different. Next, not every Canadian speaks English. Not every Canadian speaks English. Next, I looked for my keys in each/every pocket, one after the other. I looked for my keys in each pocket, one after the other. Next, she wrote a different personal message on each/every card. She wrote a different personal message on each card. The doctor examined each/every patient very carefully. The doctor examined each patient very carefully. Each/every house in this village looks the same. Every house in this village looks the same. But inside each/every house is quite different. But inside each house is quite different. Before, of, or with no noun, we use every, one, not every. She knows every one of her students by name, but not every of her students. He's got hundreds of books and he has read every one, but not he has read every. Now, put in every or everyone. Number 1, every one of these oranges is bad. Next, I learned Latin for 7 years at school, but I've forgotten every word. Next, can I have one of those chocolates? Sorry, I have eaten every one. Next, every one of his teachers said he was stupid, but he did well in every one of his exams. When the soldiers left town, they burned down every house. The questions were easy. I could answer every one. We have won every match so far this year. Every one of my friends has got more money than me. So that's all for today. Take good care of yourself. Until then, bye.